Winter mornings can turn your car into a frozen nightmare. But what if I told you there are simple, natural hacks using items you already have at home that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration? We're talking no harsh chemicals and no expensive tools. It's just simple, clever solutions to get you on the road faster. First up, let's tackle those frosty windows. Before you go to bed, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Give your windshield and windows a good spray. The vinegar solution works overnight to prevent frost from even forming in the first place. You'll wake up to a much clearer view. Next, for that annoying fog on the inside of your windows, grab a potato. It's a potato. Just slice it in half and rub the raw side on the inside of your glass. The starch creates an invisible barrier that stops moisture from condensing, keeping your windows fog-free. It sounds a little weird, but it totally works. And here's another one from the kitchen, an onion. Rubbing a sliced onion on your windows the night before can also help reduce ice buildup. The natural compounds in the onion act as a barrier against ice, making your morning scrape-off session much, much easier. Now let's move on to other frozen parts of your car. To stop your wiper blades from sticking to the windshield, apply a very light coat of coconut oil to the rubber. This not only prevents them from freezing to the glass, but also helps keep the rubber supple throughout the cold season. Frozen keyholes are another classic winter problem. Simple fix is to put a few drops of glycerin into the lock. Glycerin has a very low freezing point, so it pushes out any moisture and prevents the lock mechanism from seizing up in the cold. A tiny bottle of this can be a real lifesaver. And what about doors that are frozen shut? Grab a stick of beeswax, or even just an old candle, and rub it along the rubber seals of your car doors. This creates a waterproof barrier that stops ice from forming between the door and the frame, so you can always get in. If you wake up to a thick layer of stubborn ice, don't reach for boiling water that can crack your windshield. Instead, fill a sturdy water bottle with warm tap water. Just place the warm bottle on the icy spots and gently move it around. It will slowly and safely melt the ice, making it easy to clear away. Ever get your car stuck on an icy patch in your driveway? Keep a few pieces of flattened cardboard or some old pine branches in your trunk. If your tires are spinning, just slide them underneath for instant traction to help you get moving again. It's a simple trick that can save you from a lot of spinning. And don't forget about regular table salt. While we usually think of it for sidewalks, sprinkling a little salt around your tires before you try to back out can melt the ice right where you need it most, giving you that extra grip to pull away safely. Now let's talk about the inside of your car. Winter means wet boots and damp air, which leads to foggy windows. To combat this, place a few small bags of baking soda or activated charcoal under your seats. They are fantastic at absorbing excess moisture and will help keep your car interior dry and fog-free. Winter also leaves behind a grimy film of salt and dirt inside your car. A simple spray of lemon juice and water is a great natural cleaner. It cuts through that salty buildup on your floor mats and dashboard, leaving a fresh, clean scent behind. Finally, to get rid of that damp, musty smell that can build up in your car during winter, use a tea tree oil spray. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with water in a spray bottle. It's a natural deodorizer that eliminates odors instead of just covering them up. So there you have it, 12 natural hacks to make your winter mornings a little easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments which hack you're going to try first. Stay warm and drive safe.